Hi class, right, gonna have a go at expanding double brackets today. They sometimes call it expanding quadratics because when you expand and simplify these double brackets next to each other, you end up with a quadratic expression, which is something with a squared bit in there as the biggest power. We're going to have a go at a few of these. I'm going to show you my favourite method. You might know it from class, like the bird head or crab claw method. I just think it's got the best order to it. It makes logical sense, it's easy to remember, and you get to draw funny little pictures. There are other ways to do it. You could, if you're happy doing the Happy Charlie or the foil or however else you want to do it, I've seen grid methods, keep doing them. But this way, it's nice and easy, and you get to draw silly pictures. You don't get any bonus marks for them, they're just for you, but I'm waffling. Let's have a go. Right, what I need to do for this is I need to multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. So if we start off with this first bit, I'm going to do x times x, which I know makes x squared, and x times 4, which makes 4x. Then I'm going to do 3 times x, which makes 3x, and 3 times 4, which makes 12. Now I think this looks a bit like the beak of a bird, so I'm going to draw a dodgy little bird in there. There we go, wonderful. But we're not actually finished with this question because we've got two little x bits there. So we can expand and simplify by calling this x squared plus 4 over 3, 7x plus 12. There you go, just like that. Let's try a second one. So a times a makes an a squared. A times the minus 3 makes minus 3a. 5 times a makes a 5a. And 5 times minus 3 makes a minus 15. Let's make this one a little crab. There we go, okay, but again it's not quite finished because we need to simplify the expression. We've got minus 3a plus 5a, minus 3 add 5, means we keep the a squared on its own, we have plus 2a, then minus 15. Okay, and there we go, that's expanding quadratic. It's got a couple of more of these, slightly more difficult because they've got some coefficients, some numbers next to the letters, but the process remains the same. Bird head, crab claw. Let's have a go at the third one then. So 2a times 3a, 2 times 3 makes 6a squared. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 times a is the a squared. And you've got 2a times 2 plus 4a. 7 times 3a plus 21a. And 7 times 2 is plus 14. What do you reckon? Let's have, we'll have another crab here. Wonderful. And then we simplify it down, so we've got the 6a squared stays on its own, but the 4a add the 21a makes 25a plus the 14. Fourth one. Again, just got a couple of negatives here, watch out for double negative. Apart from that, same method as before. 3c times 4c makes 12c squared. 3c times minus 3 makes minus 9c. Minus 4 times 4c makes minus 16c, and then minus 4 times minus 3, double minus, makes a plus 12. Let's have another bird. Spectacular. And then we need to simplify it down. So we've got a minus 9c, minus 16c to tidy up. 12c squared stays on its own, 16 to minus 25c plus 12. Done, there we go. Have a go for yourself. What do you reckon, birds or crabs? What's better? Let me know, or don't. Yeah, don't.